Ngayong Pasko, thankful ako sa mga taong generous.
I encountered generosity in different places. Sa school, sa workplace, sa groups na sinasalihan ko. Hello po, ako po si Eugene de la Cruz. Siguro nakilala na po ako ng karamihan bilang batang pulube na nakagraduate ng kolehiyo. Generosity is the force that is keeping us going. Makipag-usap ka lang sa mga kapwa mo. Or kahit nga pakinggan mo lang sila, malaking tulong na yun para sa kanila. Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng isa't isa. May mga simpleng you can do it, malayo ang nararating. If you had a long day and someone asked you na, kamusta ka? May nakakain ka pa ba? Nakakatulog ka pa ba? Nakakataba ng puso makarinig ng mga ganong bagay from someone who is not directly related to you.
That's the testament also to what generosity is for Ate Cams.
Ang gagawin ko lang, kunyari sa opisina, may libre akong oras. Ay, message ko nga si ganito. Kumusta ka na? Kumusta na nanay mo? Minsan kahit graduate na sila, na-appreciate nila yon, pero parang para sa akin kasi, ang hirap lumipas ng araw na hindi ko nagagawa yung mga ganong bagay.
Erin was one of the first friends that I had sa school kasi we've been looking out for each other.
I think yung generosity is giving a piece of yourself to your friend. Not to the transactional sense, but you really have to open yourself up. Siyempre, after a long day of classes, you want someone to share your wins with. May kasama kang mag-enjoy, may karamay ka rin. We really need our friends to be by our side when things get hard.
Meron din namang mga generous na tao na nakakasama mo, nakakasalamuha mo sa isang team.
Kasi aside from it being competitive, you have a constant source of companionship.
So when you compete, even through ups and downs, you would experience it with them. Tulad ni JP.
Pag sumasayaw kami sa grupo, hindi pwedeng sarili-sarili lang. Dapat may puso lahat. Ayaw namin na may nale-left out.
I think every day is better because of people like them. And I believe now is the perfect season to give back to these people.
Please, surprise mo. Kala ko ako magsa-surprise sa'yo.
Thank you, dear, who trusted me this year. Otherwise, I won't have a friend.
Oh my God!
Thank you po. Thank you, Ate Cams.
Every time na maaalala mo, na doon pa rin eh.
Pero di mo makalimutan yung kasama.
Oh my God!
Merry Christmas, guys.
Oh my God, dito ka?
Oo, kanina pa.
Umiiyak na ako eh.
Kaya nga eh. Diba? Na ako eh.
I realized that every day could be as meaningful as Christmas. Kaya kung may gusto man kayong pasalamatan, ngayon yung best time para sabihin yun.